Hello friends, today we're going to transform this wall into this. Welcome to this new video. Recently I transformed my daughter's room to this, and even if there is a LED strip around the wall in front of her desk is quite dull and dark as well. And we're going to fix this with this Nanoleaf BLOCKS XL starter kit. So you know that I already have the Nanoleaf elements in my living room, which I really love, and all the visitors really love the elements as well. In the hallway I have my lines, which are really cool. In this Combo XL starter kit you will have 4 big squares, 4 small squares, a light pegboard and a shelf as well. Of course it is compatible with all the smart home systems. In the box you find the quick start guide with the home kit code. Then the warranty leaflet. And here we have the big squares. A little bit thicker than I thought, but that's really nice as it will light the room even more. It's really great. The instructions clearly shown. Here we have the small square. The pegboard with the metallic. As you can see, you have to drill a hole as it is quite heavy, and if you hang something to it, the 3M tip will never hold. So this one we will fix on the wall with screws. And here we have the shelf. The charger with the European power plug, like so. The studs for the pegboard, the connectors to connect the panel together. Last but not least, the physical control panel. So you don't need the application in order to activate the panels. You can simply control it with these buttons as well. A nice logo detail here as well. Before you start to stick everything on the wall, it is highly advised that you first lay your setup out on a table or on the floor to see if everything fits well together. And then you start with the first block on the wall and then you're off to go. To lay out the design you want, you can use the Nanoleaf application as well with the layout assistant. So let's try it right now. So let's go to the Nanoleaf application. You can see here my last design for the lines. We click on top. We choose the blocks. Here I can add or remove the things I don't need. So I want the shelf quite low, as I want to clip the table lamp on top. Let's add the big light as well. Let's add another one, whole block as well. Here you see that it is a really good idea to measure and design first. You can see I adapted a little bit my design. The next step I would advise is to connect your connectors while it's laid out on the ground or on the table. So this way you don't miss any connection and you don't get mixed up when you're installing on the wall. Control panel. There you go. And now we can attach the stickers as well. It is installed on the wall right now. So now I can make the markings for my drill holes right over there. Now the first idea was to put the shelf just underneath here. But on a second thought, I think it would be even nicer to put it just over there on top. The light will diffuse on the desk itself. So we go to Nanoleaf application, we go to my devices, we add a device and we scan the HomeKit code. Unplug the device one and we plug it in again. Let's try to scan the code again. Let's kill the application, leave the Wi-Fi, reconnect to Wi-Fi again, go back to the application. And there it is. So I'm going to connect it. I have to rescan the code again. Add to home. I've tried adding the blocks with the HomeKit, go to HomeKit. Although I really love their solutions, once they're installed, they're great. The installation is always difficult. And now I have to do a hard reset. That's something that you shouldn't have to do out of the box. So we press and hold the brighten buttons and power on and off for 10 seconds. I finally made it through the setup process and I can add the blocks to a room. So it's in the room of Elisa. Go on. But I really had a hard time to add this Nanoleaf product as well. So trying, retrying, resetting the product. So here you have to position the blocks in a way that it is installed. So it is installed like this, with the power source on the left side and the control box on the down side. So there you go. And again an error. Let's see. It's offline. Let's remove the power plug. Let's plug it back in. I finally have my Nanoleaf blocks online. I think it is because the Nanoleaf device is performing a lot of installations, setups, updates on the background, but it doesn't tell you so. So that's really frustrating. You can connect to the device, you don't see anything happening, only that it is offline. But once you pass this, you're all good to go, and now you can see it is online. I can click on it, see my setup right here. Go to the configuration panel, see my last settings, so that's all good. Here I have my lights. It's on northern lights right now. And I can also go to scenes. So we have the be productive. The cutie pie. Energetic beat. Golden hour. Level up. Lo-fi dreams. Lo-fi dreams. Minimalist. Minty fresh. Molten sunrise. Northern lights. Outer limits. Ultraviolet, which react to music. The vaporwave. Now of course you can also create scenes yourself just by filling in some text. So let's say Tomorrowland, and we can record the scene as well. Tomorrowland. So overall, beside to the really difficult pairing procedure, I love this product as I love my other Nanoleaf products like the lines and the elements as well. They are cool and everybody that visits my house really loves them. So let me know in the comments what you think about this Nanoleaf product. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye!